What is up, YouTube? Oh man, dude, we are in a rush right now. We're supposed to be at a meet, like right now, and we're just running fashionably late. So, well, we're gonna go down to a meet. Supposedly, there's supposed to be some pretty cool cars there, so we're gonna get that going. The city we're going down to as well will be interesting, to say the least. See, the bad thing about this is we're running late, but we can't absolutely mob the highways because where we're going, so many cops sit there, dude. Alright, let's get some gas and get going.
Fireworks underneath the bridge.
What?
That sounds like fireworks underneath the bridge.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it loud?
It's loud as fuck. Like the 4th of July.
Get there before the meet ends, that's for sure. Now if it's like 5 minutes before the meet ends, I couldn't tell ya. I'm hoping it's like, I'm realistically hoping everybody just wants to stay out, so everybody's just gonna stay there for like another 45 minutes after the meet ends. See, I told you, there's just cops everywhere, dude. There's always cops on this highway. Like this specific highway, I swear, there's at least like 15 cops. I really do appreciate the warm weather though. Oh yeah, I mean the sun's going down. It's a little chilly right now, I'm gonna be honest, but it's really not that bad. Go get him, boys! Dude, I thought we were so cooked right there. Yeah, let's go! Oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, dude, we can't waste my luck like that. That's insane. That's crazy. Dude, I'm telling you, cops are everywhere. It was a pretty solid meet, if I do say so myself. Met a bunch of cool people there. Had a bunch of decent bikes as well. We showed up really late, so all like the cars left. The cars there weren't bad either, so it was overall pretty solid. It can't shoot flames apparently. Yo, I would do that, but I'm so scared I'm gonna scratch my carbon. So I'd rather just not do that, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, in and out. I'm starving, brother. I'm trying to look for bikers right now. I'm trying to look for interactions, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna go to gas stations and see what we can find. I mean, it's a weekend, come on. Everybody's out. There's a lot of different, like, quote-unquote modified cars out right now. I have a good feeling. That's an S1000.
Yeah, everybody's on it.
There's a red marked curb usually.
What's up?
There's a red marked curb usually.
The lady in there said as long as we don't park at a pump, we're okay, so we don't block customers.
Okay, well, I'll talk to
Oops, sorry.
If I was gonna say, if you want us to move, we'll absolutely move.
They don't want you here sitting in the parking lot. Okay.
That's fine. I just wanted.
Regardless what she says, I'll talk to the actual branch manager.
Okay.
It's the LOA property. You guys cannot push me.
I don't know what LOA is, but that's fine. We'll move.
Letter of agency means you're trespassing. Okay. If you're
Oh,
not
okay.
here to conduct legal business, and I understand you bought something.
Yeah.
But just hanging out here after the fact, you're still trespassing.
Is it cool if I finish this real quick and then?
We also have drinks. Can we just finish them super fast and then dip? Sweet.
I just want. If you want to feel it, there's like not much left.
I don't care. I don't want to feel it, but just understand. If you guys keep doing this, I'm gonna start issuing trespassing citations. Okay?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yep. Oh, damn.
I was going to pound you.
We're gonna wrap up the video here. I appreciate all the support, everybody coming back and watching all the videos. With that being said though, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.